He plays good or he plays well. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Teacher Nanda, and today we are going to study about the difference between good and well. So basically, good is an adjective and adjective describes the noun. But for well is an adverb. Adverb describes the verb. First, let's discuss about good. For example, the painting is good. Good here describes the noun, which is the painting. And the second example is, he is a good student. Good here describes the noun. It is the student. Now let's discuss about well. Well is an adverb. It describes the verb. For example here, he sings well. Well here describes the verb. It is sings. So we cannot say he sings good because good is used to describe the noun, not the verb. Another example is, he plays well. We use well to describe the verb. It is plays here. So we don't say he plays good, but the correct one is he plays well. I hope you can understand this short lesson. See you on the next video. Bye bye.